The Academy of Careers in Education prepares students for college, career, and life.
Students get a lot of experience in the classroom and out of the classroom, and it helps them prepare for a better future. The ACE pathway helps students define their career path going forward.
The ACE pathway has taught me class management skills and patience.
Students should join the ACE pathway because they have great support with ACE pathway, a lot of resources available to them, and hands-on experience to prepare them to become a future educator.
Two important skills in the Pathways program that students walk away with would be interpersonal communication skills and critical thinking skills.
I am a proud Granite Hills alumni and I enjoy mentoring ACE students.
The ACE pathway has given me many experiences outside of the classroom.
In the ACE pathway, students get to be mentored by educational professionals.
My high school coach inspired me to be a teacher and a coach.
I love that my internship gave me the opportunity to work with younger children through various hands-on activities.
The ACE pathway is helping me reach my goal to becoming a future teacher.
Students are going to learn critical thinking and effective teaching skills.
You can utilize your skills that you learn in ACE no matter what industry that you do.
I love working individually with my ACE students to help them build their post-high school plans.